Hey guys, it's MCTLO, and today in this theory, we are going to show how that Metroid is the future of Breath of the Wild, or just Zelda. Now, this is a Thardus, a boss, the final boss of Phendrana Drifts in Metroid. And that's a Stone Talus. This is another picture of a Stone Talus. It has a weak spot right there, that little gem. And what else has a weak spot like a gem? The Thardus. And guess what? These are both bosses in the game. One bigger than the other, though. Thardus is a big boss, and Stone Talus is a smaller boss. What's this have to do with Metroid and Zelda being the same thing? Well, guess what? They both have similar slants. One side's bigger than the other side of it. Guess what else? They also have one's bigger than the other, but look how it slants. Their feet. One foot is bigger than the other foot on both bosses. What could this mean? It means that the future is actually Metroid in the Zelda universe. That's a Guardian laser. Looks familiar, right? Because you've probably played Breath of the Wild or seen gameplay. But guess what? We got right here a laser from a mech from Metroid. Looks the same, just different shape and color. I mean, different size and color, same shape. But guess what? Samus has special abilities. Like who? We'll take a look at that in a couple seconds. Here's a picture of Samus. Special suit, special abilities, same laser as the Guardians, has special powers just like Zelda. And guess what? We are also mixing the Sheikah into this. The Sheikah, in the future, will then become the Chozo. And the Chozo plant items just like the Sheikah in every dungeon or area they make. Sheikah with dungeons. The Chozos with planets like Phendrana Drifts has a boss. Let's look into it. And the boss gives you the Phazon or the Electro Beam or whatever in Metroid Prime. The future is the Chozo, like Icona. Let's look at the Stone Tower here. It also has the same thing. It has an item that allows you to progress in the game, just like the bosses. They both have mini bosses that give you it. Part 2. Leave a like, subscribe, whatever. But the future becomes that. And the Thardus is actually a leftover Stone Talus from Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So there you have it. Want part 2? I'm bringing it next week, maybe, if I get likes on this or something. And don't prove it wrong, because it's true.